Hey, welcome to my channel. I'm Elma. Thank you so much for joining me for this video. You click through because you want to know what my favorite lip glosses are, and I'm here to share it with you. I thought I would do a top 5 because it's precise, it's to the point, and we're not going to be here for a super long time, but we are going to be efficient. It was super easy for me. These lip glosses are ultimately the ones that if I was stuck on an island, I would definitely go for. So let's get into this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you do, please give me a thumbs up, and if by the end of the video you want to see more, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Okay, let's get into it.
I gotta tell you something I could do.
I have a couple of notes here, and the first one I'm going to be talking about, and I named it the MVP, and it's none other than the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. This comes in a whole bunch of colors. This one in particular is the original. I must say that the original is ultimately my favorite. This gloss is, I feel, the gloss that brought back the trend of glosses. I feel like before that it was all matte, and then Fenty came out with this and everybody was like gloss, 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 and I'm here for it. It's way more hydrating, and this is the MVP. The reason why I really love the Fenty gloss is because it's the perfect gloss for every day. So even if you don't have a full beat of makeup and you just want like a little gloss on the go, this is that gloss for you. And one thing I love about the Fenty glosses is that they come in many different shades. They have a clear, they have like a browner one that's perfect if you have a deeper complexion. They also have one that's like white. I have that one actually. I think it's Diamond Bump or something, I don't remember, but they have a whole bunch of different colors and they look great on every single skin tone, but I personally prefer the original one. I think it is so beautiful. It's very comfortable on the lips, and what makes it truly an everyday gloss is the fact that it is non-sticky. So if you have long hair and like you're not gonna have that trouble of having like your hair stuck to your gloss like those glosses back in the day, like you know the MAC ones, how it was like gloss everywhere. You're not gonna get that with the Fenty Gloss Bomb. Amazing, definitely check it out. They do sometimes have little collections where they have the mini versions of a couple of them. If you don't want to dedicate yourself to just one color, I would go for that, but I swear, start with the original and you'll be good to go. This is so beautiful, and it's just I love it so much. One thing also that I love about this is that it's quite long lasting. I don't find myself reapplying it over and over again, and I think it's kind of like the theme of these lip glosses. Of course, a lip gloss is never gonna last as long as, say, a matte formula, but in the grand scheme of lip glosses, they don't just rub off your lips after a while. They stay a couple of hours and then, you know, you reapply, but it's ultimately the best. Next up, I call this the ultimate lip topper, and that is none other than the Marc Jacobs Enamored Hydrating Lip Gloss. This shade in particular is my favorite, and it's called Sugar Sugar. This lip gloss, I say, is the ultimate lip topper because whatever nude lip you have going on and you want the pencil to blending with the lipstick and all that, and for it to all come together, this is that lip gloss for you. And one reason I really love Sugar Sugar is because it really lightens whatever lip combination you have. So especially if you apply it in the center, you have kind of like that ombre-ness, and it just looks just beautiful. This is really perfect to make any lip combo just look dope. Also, another thing is this is a very nourishing lip gloss. So if you have like a matte look, you want to make it look glossy, it will give you that, but it will also hydrate your lips itself. I love the packaging of it. It's nothing like anything I have. It's very travel friendly, I find, and I just love the way it is made, and the fact that it's in a stick as well really makes it easy for you to apply it evenly all throughout your lips and even blending on the sides if need be. Another thing is it gives you a shine that is as you can see, like really wearable. It's not too out there like what I have on my lips right now. And so yeah, it's the ultimate lip topper, I find. This color Sugar Sugar, as you can see, is not the prettiest looking just like that. It's truly one that I use never really on its own, or if I do use it, I have like hella brown liner all around. Another color I have is Mocha Chocolata. That one is better for just wearing on its own, but my favorite is Sugar Sugar. I think that if you're looking for the ultimate lip topper, this is where it's at. Give it a go, you will not be disappointed. Next gloss is from Sephora collection. They have some amazing gems in there, and this is definitely one of them. So this is the Outrageous Plump Lip Gloss, and it's in color 02 Nude. This is basically my lips but juicier. That's how I would call this lip gloss. It has some color to it. One thing I love about it is obviously the formula, but I find that the packaging is so very smart, especially if you're a freak at organizing your things. At the top over here, you have the color of the gloss. I wish that every lip product could come like this. The applicator as well is really, it's small, but it also kind of has like this small scooping spoon applicator, so it really grabs on quite a lot of product. And this color Nude 02 is truly my lips but better, a little bit juicier, a little bit pinker looking, and it just adds some shine to it. And it's one of those lip glosses that you can just wear with your baddest look, or you could just wear just like a slight little wash on those days where you have a little light makeup going on. This is like the perfect nude lip gloss, and it's not one that I need to have a lip liner with because it truly is the color of my own lips. So if you have the same color of lip as I do and the same undertone, as you can see, it is a beautiful lip gloss. Definitely check it out, and since it's a Sephora collection, you know it's not very expensive, so that is definitely a bonus in my books. Gloss that I have for you, I call it the no makeup bestie. Why I say that is because if you are into a very light look and you don't wear so much makeup or barely anything, and you know you're into that vibe, this lip oil gloss hybrid is for you, and it's from Kosas. It's the wet lip oil gloss. This is in the color Jellyfish. They have a couple other colors that are a bit more tinted, so it really gives you that bitten look, but this one is pretty clear. And I think that in your collection of lip glosses, you should always have some kind of lip gloss that is like this. So what's interesting about it is that it's a lip oil gloss hybrid, so you have that oil aspect that gives, I don't know how to explain, like a gloss looks more plumping whilst an oil looks more hydrating, and it's truly the middle ground of those two. And it's one of those glosses that I love to wear on my no makeup days, or even when I'm not wearing any makeup at all and I don't want my lips to look bare. That's what I put on. It's quite hydrating as well, so that is always a plus in my books. It really is comfortable on the lips. That oil gloss hybrid is something you need to try, honestly. Check it out if you can. They also come, as well as the Fenty ones, they also come sometimes in sets where they have the like a couple of different colors of this wet lip oil. It's just an amazing formula. It's very versatile as well. You can easily use it to top off whatever look you have. I personally like using it on its own, or maybe just like a lip liner slightly smudged and then top it off with this, kind of like I did in my last look. I don't know if you've checked out that video, my sun-kissed summer skin makeup tutorial. I'll put it over here in the card so you can check it out. It's really a vibe. It's in front of a window and everything, and I'm talking about this method and you can see it fully in action, and that's how I use this gloss. It's really perfect for that. Last but definitely not least, and if you've been with me for a while, you know the next gloss I'm talking about because I keep on raving about it, and I think I even said it in one of my last videos that this is ultimately my favorite lip gloss. It's none other than the Artist Couture Diamond Lip Tease Lip Gloss. This, I don't know how to explain this, but you can actually see it in action right now on my lips. I have like a whole lip combination, but it is topped by this lip gloss, and this is in the shade Climax. I have a couple of them because they're really just perfect. So this lip gloss is not for the faint-hearted. I guess that's the best way I can explain it, and I think that's why ultimately it's my favorite, because it really gives your lips, you know, when you think lip gloss, like the caricature of lip gloss, I feel like this falls into that, but in the best way possible. So listen, the glitters in here are so fine and so multi-dimensional that you don't feel them on your lips. Unlike, I would say, the Patrick Ta one, really don't like that one. This formula stays on the lips, and also one thing I love about it, it kind of like fills up those little dents and, you know, crooks and nooks that we all have on our lips, giving our lips that illusion of plumpness and evenness that we ultimately all research in one way or another, and this truly gives you that. Another thing I really love about this is the applicator of it. It's in a nice pointed way, and as you can see, as I applied it, you can really use it without the fear of, you know, smudging all over the place. You have like really precise application, as well as the fact that the center of it has like kind of like this little hole. It kind of works like that Sephora lip gloss that has like that kind of like spooning effect. I really like doe foot applicators that have this little, because it enables you to grab more, so you're not constantly re-dipping in, and I am quite blessed with generous lips to begin with, thank you, but sometimes I find that with other lip glosses I have to re-dip over and over again to get the whole lip, but with this I don't have to do that, and I really like that. You know, it's the little things that just make you grab for it more. And seriously, when I want my lips to look extra juicy and I'm like, this is what I go for. Another thing also that I really love about this is it's a really good lip topper, like you see here, or I can also use it on its own. Sometimes I line it a little bit with, say, the Lip Cheat from Charlotte Tilbury in Iconic Nude, and this, amazing, really amazing for more of that subtle angel baby vibe. But if you want the ultimate glam and you just want your lips to look out of this world, Artist Couture is where it's at. They have a new version of these that are called the Push Pout lip glosses, and I think they're a little bit more tingly. I've not tried it, but that's what I get from the name of it. And they are not glittery. They're really more like the Sephora Your Lips But Better type thing, with actual color being deposited on your lips. But this is really an amazing lip gloss that I highly recommend. So there you have it. Those are my top 5 lip glosses that I think you should check out. What are some of your favorite lip glosses? I would really like to know. What are your thoughts on these lip glosses? Have you tried them? Tell me in the comment below. I want to know. Let's get this conversation going. If you like this video and you want to see more top 5 videos, please give this video a thumbs up so I know, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done it already, as well as that notification bell so you're sure to be notified when I have a new video. I usually post once a week on Sunday. Might change up, switch up my schedule, I don't know yet. I hope you've been enjoying my content. So at this point, a couple of videos have popped up on my channel. Be sure to check them out if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram at elrosaddiction, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!